Here is a new way to charge your phone faster. First, go to Shortcuts. Then go to Automation and click the Add button on the right corner. And click to create personal automation. Next, go to Charger and click Next. After that, click Add Action. Then search for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. After that, set them off. Then turn cellular data off. Next, set brightness level to 11%. Then turn Do Not Disturb mode on. Then click Next on the right top corner. Now untick Ask Before Running option and select Don't Ask. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.